Hello there. Today I'm going to be making a terminal video. It's going to be very basic. So what terminal is it's a program that runs in the background while you're doing anything on either a Mac or on a Linux computer. So I made a test folder here with a test document inside of it, and we're going to try to get to there. So what you need to know is 3 different commands, very important. Number 1 is ls, which allows you to see what's in the directory that you're inside. So right now I'm inside of text. Then pwd, which shows where you are. So I'm in users, Quantly, desktop, and inside the test folder. Now another very important one is cd. So using cd you can get inside of basically any directory, and cd space dot dot allows you to go back a directory. So if we check which directory we are inside, we went back from test to desktop. So now let's say we write ls to see what's inside of the desktop, and test. So if we write cd test, then we are inside of the test folder, which you can see is on the desktop. Now we have this test document. How do we open it? Well, there's 2 ways actually. The easiest one is to write open and then the test document, which I'm going to copy. And since there's a space inside of it, we're going to have to put it into speech marks. And now it's opened, it says hello. So, well, there's the other version, which is to write cat and then put it into speech marks, and it opens it up and it says, well, what you wrote there. So another very important thing is clear, which basically just clears the entire thing. Then you can write history, which shows basically everything you've done. And if you want to clear the history you have, you can just write history -c. And now if we check the history, that's the only thing that's inside of it. And another really cool thing is that if you have a command and you don't know what it does, like for example cat, you can just go to the beginning and write man for manual, and then it shows you the entire manual, basically everything you can do with it. So with Q you can just exit. So the final thing I'm going to show you today is called Nano. Now Nano is a great way to create documents, very simple ones. Right now we're inside of the test folder, so it's going to appear there. Let's just name it test2. Now it opens up a very simple interface. You can just type, and then you can read file and do lots of stuff by clicking Control and then the letter that's right next to it. So I'm just going to write something like, hey there, and I want to save it, so I can see exit is right here. You can just click Control X, and then it asks me if I want to, well, save it. Yeah, I do, so I just click yes. And then the file name to write, it says test2. Yeah, that's what I want, so I just click enter. Now if we check what's inside of here, we can see that test2 is inside of here right now too. So let's just cat test2, and it shows what's written there. Hey there. This is really cool too. So thanks for watching, and there's probably gonna be a couple of more episodes about this. Terminal is really easy to use if you learn it.